So this is a bandsaw blade for the sawmill that I set the sawmill up today. Well, I set the sawmill up over the past couple weeks. I made the first cuts. I milled my first logs today. And on the very first cut, I managed to hit a metal stanchion, the metal upright that holds the logs in place. Stupid. Ruined the blade. I did keep using it to finish cutting the rest of the log just because I was cutting the log to practice anyway, so it didn't really matter that the blade was doing a crappy job. Um, so I did get some use out of it, but I ruined the blade. Meanwhile, I'm learning how to, you've got this big old bandsaw blade, and that's not a useful size, so it's more convenient if the blade is in a smaller coil. So I've been practicing. Well, sort of. Now, right on here, there's no teeth here, but the rest of the saw blade is intact and it's super sharp. So I'm wearing cut gloves, eye protection, vaguely tough pants, and obviously a very, very protective t-shirt. Hey, look! It's all in a coil. Hey, and watch this. That's not what was supposed to happen. Let's try it again. Okay, we'll coil that up again. I'm just going to keep doing that all night.